Women who are 40 years old can look 30 when they apply this cream. It helps reduce wrinkles, expression lines at the corners of the mouth, and wrinkles on the neck. First, we will need 1 onion. Cut the onion into 2 pieces and grate it well using a grater. Then extract the onion juice using a fine strainer. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Vaseline to a bowl and melt it over low heat using a water bath for about 5 minutes. After it melts, mix the liquid Vaseline with the onion juice. Now, your anti-wrinkle and anti-dark spot cream is ready. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 1 week only. How to use: apply it to your face in the evening and leave it on for 10 minutes, avoiding the corners of your eyes. After that, wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 10 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. A Japanese ancient woman of 50 years old applies this cream, which completely eliminates her wrinkles and expression lines at the edges of her mouth, as well as the wrinkles on her neck, making her look 25 years younger. For this, first we need 1 egg. Crack the egg into a blender and blend it well until it turns into a smooth, paste-like texture. Once blended, pour the mixture into a bowl. For demonstration, we will use only 1 tablespoon, but you can make more as needed. After that, add 1 teaspoon of rice flour and mix well. Rice flour helps tighten your skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Then squeeze in about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and mix thoroughly. Now our anti-aging cream is ready. You can store this cream in the refrigerator for up to 10 days. How to use: apply it to your face, massage gently, and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then wash it off with water. Repeat this process daily for 15 days, and you'll be amazed by the results. You'll grow hair even where you don't have any. Don't use it too much because it can cause excessive hair growth. Save this video before it disappears. For this, first we will need 1 onion. Peel the onion and grate it well. It helps remove bacteria from your hair and may support hair growth. Once grated, extract the onion juice properly. Then add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline to a bowl and melt it over a water bath for 5 minutes. Mix it well with the onion juice. Now your hair solution is ready. How to use: apply it to your hair and massage gently for 10 minutes. Then wrap your hair with cling film and leave it on for 15 minutes. After that, wash your hair with water. Repeat this process twice a week for 1 month, and you'll be amazed by the results. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days only. Have you ever tried this natural remedy? Women in their 40s can achieve a fresh, youthful glow like in their 20s. This simple treatment helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, no Botox or expensive procedures needed. Try it and see the results yourself. To make this natural anti-wrinkle cream at home, we will use only 3 simple ingredients. First, take 1 sachet of instant yeast, as it helps soften your skin. Then add about 2 tablespoons of milk for a natural glow. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of powdered milk and mix well until it turns into a smooth cream. You can store this in the fridge for up to 1 week. How to use: apply this cream to your face in the evening, preferably 30 minutes before a gnome. Then wash it off after 15 minutes. Repeat this process daily for 15 days, and you'll be amazed by the results.